Hey everybody, I'm making a breakfast casserole for myself and my son. It's really easy. This was 1 pound, maybe a little less than a pound of breakfast sausage, and I used Jimmy Dean, the mild brand. And I cut up just a half of an onion. I put some garlic powder in here. Use sage, love sage. I think onion powder also. So I seasoned it up really well. I didn't use salt because salt is actually probably too salty for the sausage. It already has a nice amount of sodium. All right, so the ingredients are the brown sausage that I've browned, breakfast sausage. I have 3 lightly beaten eggs here. I have a 1.5 cups of Bisquick. And this is a cup of milk. It looks a little distorted because what I did was deglaze my pan that had the sausage. I deglazed that so that it would get all of the extra flavors on the very bottom. And I have a small tinfoil pan that I've greased lightly, not a whole lot. And now we're just gonna kind of start combining some ingredients. I'm going to put my Bisquick mixture with my breakfast sausage, and you just want to make sure you coat all of the sausage. That will be important. This is going to give it the thickness that you need, that you normally get from like a casserole. We love casseroles, and this particular casserole you can freeze and easily have it for dinner. Have it for dinner, have it for breakfast, have it for brunch, have it for lunch. It's just a great recipe. All right, I'm gonna now add that mixture of the milk that I deglazed from the pan. I'm gonna pour it in with my eggs. Put that in the sink. I'm gonna give it another little stir. Perfect. And now I'm just gonna kind of add or introduce my my mixture, my sausage and Bisquick mixture. Okay. I mean, it smells good already, and it doesn't take any time at all for this to cook because basically the sausage is already done. What now has to cook is the eggs, and eggs in the oven, particularly in this form, will cook pretty quickly. All right. Oh, it smells so good. My son loves breakfast casserole. He wanted it earlier this week, but I just didn't have the time to make it. So it's Friday, and I thought I'll make it today. All right, now I'm gonna, sorry for the noise, I'm gonna mix the sausage and the egg. Make sure that's nicely coated. I'm gonna add probably half of my whole 1.5 cups of cheese. I'm gonna add half of that right in there. I'm gonna give that a mix. And again, you know, this, once it's cooked, it's kind of the texture of like lasagna, kind of. It, you know, it holds up pretty well. So you can cut it into squares, and you can easily put it in the freezer. All right, I'm gonna pour this. Oh, I'm trying not to knock over my lamp. All right, perfect. Got all of that mixture in there. I'm gonna top it with some more cheese. I love cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? I'm gonna cook this on 350 for about 30 minutes. If I start smelling it earlier, I'll take it out earlier because it's really not gonna take very long. All right, I'll see you in a little bit.